Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! And you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming and new Louis Vuitton bag collection. Yes! So I will be providing you all the information that you need to know from names, product codes, product feature, prices, SKU, and the launch date. All you need to do, just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CA. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. We're almost there. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so we are going to discuss the men's fall winter 2025 cruise collection of Pharrell's. First, we have the Shopper Tote MM. Price of this one is $4,750 USD. So this one, the launch date of this collection, guys, is July 10th, 2025. We have SKU here. I love this size, of course, and I love the colorway of this Shopper Tote MM, which is made of leather. Here we have a smaller one. So this one, Shopper Tote Mini. I love the colorway of this one, which is hunter green, and then of course the strap is kind of like of a dark brown violet burgundy colorway. As you can see, this is the interior. The straps are fully detachable, and this is the logo of LV. So the logo of Louis Vuitton is kind of raised, and the price of this one is $3,900 USD. And this one, guys, oh my god, get this right away. So we have KEEPALL 25. Price of this one is $2,730 USD. Material is combination of monogram canvas, demi ebene, and then of course we have reverse monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. I really love this style, guys. It comes with the bag charm and the detachable vachetta leather strap. And then we have Nail NM, another beautiful bag from this collection. Price is $3,200 USD. So get this right away, guys. My recommendation. So same material, combination of monogram canvas, reverse monogram canvas, and of course the demi ebene. This one comes with two straps, so it comes with leather top handle and adjustable crossbody strap, and it also has the bag tag. Next on the collection, another beautiful one. So Rush Bomb Bag. Price is $2,750 USD. So my recommendation from my previous vlog, if you are missing the original women's bomb bag, then get this Rush Bomb Bag from the men's section because they look the same. However, I think this is a little bit smaller, but then still functional. I love, of course, the combination of the Louis Vuitton canvas. And then we have the coffret accessory. So price of this one is 12,000 euro. We have SKU here of M25896. So it has the same material of the combination of monogram canvas, demi ebene, and reverse monogram canvas. So this is the interior, as you can see. So there are very beautiful interior and slots that you could pull out. Then one of my personal favorite would be the Never Ever Fall. You are hearing the name correctly, guys. So this is the men's version of the classic Never Fall, but the only difference is, as you can see, it comes with a zipper for closure, which I feel is very handy, and it comes of course with detachable pochette like this. Comes in the combination of the very beautiful Louis Vuitton canvases. What do you think of this one? Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, so next on the collection, we have the pocket organizer. Price of this one is 480 USD, still from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. The material is monogram canvas. I love the pink colorway, so the print is printed on both sides, front and back. This is the back part, and then of course it would come with leather interior. The next on this one, we have the pocket organizer. Price is 480 USD. I love the colorway of this pocket organizer. As we could see, it's color green. The front part, this is the interior made of leather. Love it comes with multiple slots for our cards. And this is the back part, and it has a Japanese writing. Can anyone translate that for us, guys? Love the print of this one and the colorway as well. And then we have the passport cover. Unfortunately, we do not have the price here, but we have SKU. Kindly take note. So as we can see, the front part, it comes with the Mount Fuji print with the sakura flowers. Then this is the interior. So the colorway of this one is like a dark blue colorway. I actually love this monogram canvas. Hopefully, they are going to produce this one in bags as well, not just SLGs. And then going back to trunk, we have the matcha trunk here. Price of this one, guys, please take note, 100,000 euro. Wow, we have SKU. So this is the interior once you're going to open. Still from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. So very beautiful design, so maybe that is the reason why this one is priced is at 100,000 euro. Then these are runway pieces, guys, if you could remember. So we have the flower trunk. Price of this one is 400,000 euro. We have SKU here, M15165. Although for the material, guys, I cannot verify yet whether this is an acrylic because it's like the translucent or transparent design, but this is trunk with flower details. Then, guys, just like with this one, Courier Luzine 110, price is 150,000 euro. As you can see, the entirety of trunk is clear. Colorway, of course, is rose, and it comes with gold hardware and untreated vachetta leather trims. This is such perfect if, for example, you really love pink and maybe if you are into Barbie. And then we have another flower trunk. So this one has less flower design compared to the earlier one. But then again, guys, the price, OMG, 300,000 euros. So could just imagine how much that would be if it's in USD. So we have SKU here. So the material, I'm guessing it's an acrylic. Then of course it has flower designs with gold hardware. Next on the collection, another flower trunk, and then the most expensive at 500,000 euro. So it has SKU here. So with this one, guys, I'm actually asking myself, it has like the pull out details just like with the classic Louis Vuitton trunk. Would you purchase an acrylic version or would you rather go for the classic trunk? Me personally, I would go for the classic trunk. Then we have clutch box. Price of this one is 35,000 euro or 40,000 USD. We have SKU here from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. Materials, exotic croc leather. Color is wash blue denim. Cowhide leather trims. Then it would come with gold hardware. We have the dimension here, guys, for your reference. Next on the collection, guys, so we have the Louis Bear bag charm. So price, guys, is 1,170 USD. So any Labubu or Pop Mart lovers out there, so would you consider this bag charm? Me personally, they are cute. My favorite on this one would be this one, the one carrying the Louis Vuitton Speedy. This one, but guys, the price is 1,170. Hopefully, they are going to bring down the price to 500 USD. Then we have the Monseries trunk. Price is 10,000 euro. We have SKU here, still from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. So this is the interior. As we can see, I actually love this design. So I'm guessing that this bag comes with a detachable strap, as we can see here. Next on the collection, we have the Friendship Sawagani trunk. Hopefully I am pronouncing that right. 12,000 euro. We have SKU here. Guys, the front part, the two parts here is fully detachable, and once you detach, this is what you're going to see. Wherein we are going to see the Pharrell and Nigo graphic design. So this is the interior. It would come with top handle, which I really love. Then of course, it would come with detachable strap. Next on the collection, we have the Coffret 8 Montres. Price is 12,000 euro. We have SKU here. Material is the Camouflage Canvas in Sakura Pink. It would come with cowhide leather trims and it would come with gold hardware. So if you are a pink lover, definitely this could be the perfect Louis Vuitton trunk for you. Next on the collection, we have the Friendship Store It trunk. Price of this one is 60,000 euro. We have SKU here. So material now is the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, gold hardware, and kindly take note, guys, that the Store It trunk can only be purchased as a set, so you cannot purchase them individually. Next on the collection, so we have the Friendship KEEPALL 50. Price of this one is 4,000 USD. Material is the Dame Ebin canvas with Pharrell and Nego print. It would also come with cowhide leather trim, so this is the interior, and it would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. So would you go for this new design of the KEEPALL, guys? Next on the collection, we have the DOP Kit Cargo. Price of this one is 1,860 USD. Material is the Dame Ebin canvas with Pharrell and Nego print. So the interior, I actually love the interior of this DOP kit. It would come with cowhide leather trims, gold hardware, and adjustable strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Which of the Louis Vuitton bag is your favorite? Kindly comment down below. I would love to hear your opinion on the new collection. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!